Hey everybody, Tyler here, Boulevard Home. I'm here with Jerry, one of our resident Traeger Grill experts. We are doing another demonstration today on how to cook kebabs inside your Traeger Grill. So Jerry's gonna take it from here, show us how it's done.
All right, I wanna make sure that I make kind of bigger pieces. You know, a lot of times if you're making a salad and stuff like that, you're gonna make a little bit smaller pieces. But for a kebab, you wanna make them a little bit bigger, you know, so as you're blending in and putting things together, and also it'll cook a little bit more evenly with the meat. All right, so there's all our vegetables. We've got some Dole pineapple chunks. Obviously, you can buy some fresh chunks right there from the store, or you can just do like this and get them in a can. All right, we've got our prep work done, and we are ready to put the seasoning on the kebabs. Now, the Traeger is all about the seasoning, and that's what we want to do. So in order to get the Traeger Rub to stick to it, we're gonna spritz them just a little bit, okay? And you really can't put on enough. You know, we're using a little bit of butter, but you can use some vegetable oil and stuff like that too. And again, the secret of Traeger Rub is don't be shy. You know, it's rub, it's not seasoning. So we wanna really get this in here pretty good. Like I say, we're not gonna be shy with it at all. That way, when we get cooking them, we pull them off the grill, you're gonna wish you were here. All right, we're ready to go. We'll put these on the grill now. Get Tyler to help me open the grill here.
All right, so with the grill, we've put it at temperature, a high temperature. We didn't put it at the very highest. We now have it at 375. We've got it heated, and now we're just gonna place them on to the grill, right onto the rack.
Again, the great thing about Traeger is the temperature, you know, the heat's always moving, so it's not like we need to make sure exactly where they're at. We just need to make sure they're on the rack, and that heat's gonna move right around them.
Those look amazing.
We made plenty. So there we go. So they're on the Traeger right now. We're gonna wait about 3.5 minutes. And in 3.5 minutes, we're gonna come back and we're just gonna turn them over one time. Okay, I'm gonna go another 3.5 minutes until they're done. All right, we are getting ready to take our kebabs off the grill. We've had them on about 3.5 to 4 minutes on one side. We flipped them over, did a little spritzer, 3.5, 4 minutes on the other side. That kind of depends on how thick your meat is and how thick your vegetables are. As I mentioned earlier, I kind of like my vegetables cut really thick. But if you look right here, you can see that the mushrooms are nice and done. The sausage is nice, just everything is just perfect right now. So we're gonna start taking them off the grill here. I'm telling you, if you haven't had this pineapple on the grill, some of these peppers, oh, this is just amazing, amazing stuff. And don't be afraid to put some different stuff on your kebabs. You know, we use just the basic stuff like here, but you know, different types of peppers, even different types of fruit. Some of the fruit, you know, you can put on there. The pineapple, I think, is the best, but you know, we made a veggie one right here, so this is just all veggies. This stuff is gonna be amazing. So now you've got this figured out, really for the whole thing, the cooking time and everything, maybe 20, 25 minutes. So this is a great opportunity for you to make something that your family is just gonna think you're the greatest cook in the world, your best Traeger cook ever, and it's just super simple and easy and inexpensive.
So thanks everybody for watching today. We want to thank Jerry. He's made some amazing kebabs for us. Super easy, as you all can tell. Please subscribe to our channel below if you loved what you saw. Ring that bell to subscribe, and we hope to have you watch all of our videos. Again, Jerry, thank you. Stay tuned for also some more amazing Traeger videos, as well as many more things. Thank you, Jerry.
Bottoms up.
Awesome.